OEMTOOLS Manifold Gauge Set lets you test automotive air conditioning systems by comparing high side and low side pressure readings to manufacturer specifications. It can be used to test, evacuate, and fill automotive AC systems. Let's get started. Attach the high side and low side couplers to the male end of the red hose and blue hose. Connect the red hose to the high port and the blue hose to the low port on the manifold. Close both valves on the manifold gauge set by turning the red and blue knobs clockwise. Remove the protective caps from the system ports. Check for leaks at the ports. Connect the red hose to the discharge side of the compressor. Connect the blue hose to the suction side of the compressor. Make sure the couplers are securely connected to the system. Open the valve by turning the knob clockwise to start refrigerant flow. Start the vehicle, then turn on the AC system and let it run at the highest setting until the gauge readings stabilize. If the gauge readings are within the manufacturer specifications and the AC system operates properly, stop the AC system and turn off the vehicle. Then disconnect the hoses from the system.